Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought I would do an update video, just a really simple kind of what's been going on with me video, because so much has been happening. so much. Where to start? I have quit my job as a teacher and I have signed on to a supply agency. Huge decision. Really had to think about what I was doing and if it was the right decision to make. But after being off sick from work for 3 months now and dreading the thought of going back, I realised that life's too short, and yeah, what on earth am I doing in a job that I don't enjoy anymore? Because of that and the pressure of having to make an income so that I can help support our family financially and stuff, we've decided to sell our house, which again is a huge decision to make because we've got a beautiful home and I kind of wanted it to go quick, but at the same time I did not expect it to go as quickly as it did. So we put the house up for sale and the lady who first came out to view it was the next day, and she immediately put a full ask offer in, and I've been praying about it and stuff, so I prayed that nobody would come who was a time waster and that we would only have people who were serious about buying the house come visit. So this lady came within 24 hours of it being put up and basically put in a full ask offer on the house, which is amazing, and we of course accepted it. So now we're just kind of in the process of going through all that. That was a month ago. As a control freak, which I am, it's quite uncomfortable for me, but I'm just kind of, you know, trusting the Lord with it all, and just I know everything will work out. And I don't really know what I'm going to do next, what my next steps are. Like when September comes around, I may not have this house anymore and I definitely won't have my job anymore. So prayers are much appreciated that God will just kind of open doors and lead me wherever it is that He wants me to go in my life. But I filmed a quick tour of my house before the photographer came around to take the photos to sell it, so I'll insert that here because I know a few of you have asked for a home tour so you can just kind of see what our house looks like. Okay, so this is where you come in, and we've just all got our initials there to hang up our coats. I haven't got one for Thomas yet though. And then when you come in the front door, you're looking directly upstairs, and then to the right is the living room. So when you come in, we've just got a window. Ignore the huge box of Lego, Ryan's been playing with that, but I've just shoved the coffee tables over there for now. I like to have this huge space for the boys to play. And then we've got our couch, and we've kind of gone for a boho kind of feel downstairs. Yeah, this is from IKEA. I just stored the boys' books in it. All of this whole cabinet and the baskets inside are from IKEA, and the lantern is from Very. Ignore this. This is my mum's plate, and I'm giving her some dishwasher tablets because she's run out. This is our TV cabinet kind of area. If you follow me on Instagram, this is the area that you'll probably see most often in the background because I'm usually sitting right here doing my morning devotionals. I've got a monstera over there which has grown wild. I've bought a stick to go inside, but I don't think it's big enough because it's just not grasping onto it. So any tips on how to get that to kind of grow up rather than out would be muchly appreciated. And then over here we've just got a ladder shelf, and I've just got some toys for Thomas on the bottom 2 shelves which I rotate each week, and then just some decor pieces. This is just a Scentsy lamp, and I've got pink cotton in there diffusing at the moment. And then this is our dining room, so it's all kind of open plan. We got these 2 prints off Etsy and we just put them in some IKEA frames, and we just have the kitchen table, and then it goes straight into the kitchen as well. So this is our little kitchen area. It's really handy for bacon because Ryan stands on that side and I stand on this side, and we can do some nice bacon. But yeah, that's the kitchen. And then in here we created a pantry because we have so much stuff and we couldn't fit it all in the kitchen cupboard. So we've just got 2 shelves from IKEA which were £10 each, and I just kind of store everything in here, including Play-Doh. And then at the back is just kind of storage. I've got extra carrier bags, crisps, those are the cushions for the chairs outside, vacuum cleaner and waffle maker and wrapping paper and things like that. Then we've got these French doors which just lead out to our garden, which is an absolute mess because we've just got so many toys. It really needs tidying, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I like to sit out here on a morning and do my Bible reading if the sun is out, which is pretty rare, but it's out today. And then into here is our utility room. So in here we've just got all of our laundry stuff basically. Washer dryer, microwave, old cloths, tea towels, washing powder, fabric conditioner, spray bottle that I use for my plant, and a little aloe vera plant. And then in here is our downstairs toilet. Nothing too exciting here. So I will show you upstairs. So we've done these photo frames all the way up the stairs, which is really cute. Thomas likes to stop and label everybody that he sees as we go up here. At the top of the stairs we've got this landing area, and I've just put this little cabinet here. Just does toilet rolls and Dan's hair things and stuff like that. So we'll go into the master first. So this is the master bedroom. We haven't got a lot in here. We've just kind of got our bed, our 2 lamps. I've got a Scentsy burning there in the corner as well, and I've got some plants up, double fitted wardrobes, and this cupboard is where I put all of the towels and linens and things. And then we've got an ensuite little shower room here. And then next to our room is Thomas's room. He's got the smallest room at the moment because he doesn't spend any time in here apart from sleeping. So we've just got a rocking chair there which we use when Thomas wakes up in the middle of the night and he needs a feed. I've got some of his toys up here, and then he's still sleeping in a cot at the moment, but this does change into a cot bed, which we'll be doing pretty soon, which is quite scary. But I love Thomas's room because it just looks out over the trees across the garden. It's a really pleasant room, this one. And then this is our master bathroom, which is pretty small for a master bathroom, but it does the job. So we've just got your basics, and then I've got some products up on the shelves, and we've got some toy shelves for the boys as well. And then coming out of the bathroom, this is our office where me and Dan do our work. It used to be Thomas's room, which is why there's bunny rabbit pictures hanging up and a huge fluffy light, but we've just kept it that way for now until we find some new pictures. But this is my desk where I do all of my work, and then this is Dan's desk where he sits and does his work. Again, I love this room because it's just got all those trees outside, so when you're doing your work it's lovely to just kind of sit and look out the window at that. And then on this ladder shelf I've just got some decorative items, and then all of my Bibles and some of my books. The rest are stashed in these boxes and under here. And then I've got a little YouTube tracker here to see when I get to my 4,000 watch hours and my 1,000 subscribers. So this is where we're at the moment. So I like to just keep a track of that. And then the last bedroom is Ryan's room. We've just got his name up on the wall with some bookshelves. He's got so many books. There's books all over the house. But yeah, he's got his little play kitchen up here. And some of his diggers and things. More books. And his little drawer set and his little wardrobe and things. So that is Ryan's room. I decided that although I love being the special educational needs coordinator at school, at the moment with 2 little ones at home and only being part-time, it's not the right job for me at all. It's too time consuming, and I'm the type of person where I want a job to be done properly, and I felt like I wasn't doing anything in my life properly. Like, I wanted to do YouTube videos. I didn't feel like I could find the time to do them. I wanted to be with my children. I didn't feel like I had the amount of time that I wanted to spend with them, or at least the amount of quality time that I wanted to spend with them. I wanted to be able to make home cooked meals, bake things with my children, and just do all of those lovely kind of housewifey jobs that I don't get to do. Even things down to like cleaning the house, like all different types of stuff that I should just be able to do, or want to do, should I say. I wasn't finding the time for because I had so much paperwork to do. So I think this is definitely the right decision. The fact that our house sold so quickly after praying about it, the fact that I prayed that my boss would be okay when I handed in my notice, and she was lovely and basically said my job's always there for me if I want it. Just so much stuff sort of is falling into place. So I'm just trusting God that the next adventure will all come together, and yeah, we'll continue our little family life. But at the moment I'm just sort of in limbo. I don't really know what is happening. But yeah, so I haven't been filming my YouTube videos as much as I would like to. I want to upload every single Monday. That is the dream, to be able to just upload every single week a new video for you guys. But I think with everything that's been going on, I just haven't had the creativity to even think of what kind of video. And you guys have been amazing, like on Instagram and stuff, when I ask for video ideas, you guys come up with ideas, and I'm hopefully creating the videos that you're asking for. Anyway, so I've got to go back to work tomorrow, which I am dreading. When you see this video, I will be at work because it'll be tomorrow afternoon, and the video will go live, so I won't be able to do the premiere or anything. But if you're watching this, yeah, please pray for me, because I am actually dreading going back. The fact that I've been off for 3 months is hard in itself, and I feel totally kind of disconnected from everybody, and obviously I've been missing out on a lot of stuff with the children and the parents. I just don't know how it's going to go down, but it'll be nice to be back anyway, just for those 6 weeks, now that I know there's an end to it, and I can kind of just relax really and just make sure everything's kind of wrapped up, ready for the children starting school in September. And in the meantime, on Friday last week, I signed up to a supply agency. So what they do is they find work for you. You tell them kind of what you're looking for, then they find schools for you, and they put you kind of in the front line for the positions. So I have no idea what kind of work what kind of school I'm going to be going into or anything like that, but I've requested only early years because I've only ever taught in early years, and I've requested no leadership responsibilities at all, just teaching, because they were kind of like, oh well, you've worked your way up to leadership, do you not want to kind of keep that pay scale and keep those responsibilities? And I was like, absolutely not, no thank you. I am happy to take a drop in pay if I do not have to do any of that workload ever again. So that was something that I've found out about myself, and God's really kind of opened my eyes to. In my 20s and stuff, I would always be kind of striving for more money and to better me life, better me job, ambitious, always on that kind of run to climb the ladder. And now that I've actually climbed the ladder in my career, I've realised that that is not what I want at all, and I'm actually at my happiest when I'm teaching and not doing anything senior leadership wise. That's been a real eye-opener, and I've had to kind of come to terms with the fact that financially we're not going to be as well off as we have been, but that's not really a big deal, especially now that we've sold this house and stuff. So this house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, if you count the ensuite as a bathroom, and we absolutely do not need that. And like I say, I was getting so stressed out about having to keep on top of this house and the cleaning and everything. It'll be really nice to just kind of move into a smaller house. So we're just keeping our eyes open. I know God will provide, he always does. So I'm not even going to stress about it. I'm just going to kind of go with the flow and see where God takes us. But yeah, that's kind of my little update on where I've been, what I've been doing, and why I'm not posting every Monday like I want to. But if you guys have any video requests, please keep them coming. Let me know on Instagram, let me know in the comments, because I'm always looking for ideas so that I can post videos, anything at all that you want to see from me, let me know, and I will try my very best to get that out for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!